Hey, this is Sasha Evdokov, founder of TradersFly and InvestingHelpDesk.com, here to answer a few of your frequently asked questions in detail. So today's question is, what are your thoughts on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin? Do you invest in them too? So first off, let's take a look at what is a cryptocurrency, and then I'll answer the question of my thoughts on investing in these kinds of vehicles. And here we're taking a look at Wikipedia here to take a look at what a cryptocurrency is. Now, of course, not everything on the internet is 100% true, so you should always take it with a grain of salt or some context. But in general, to give you some ideas and for you to do some research, basically a cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange using cryptography to secure the transaction and control the creation of new units. So basically, this currency is being created. It's in a way a digital currency, like Bitcoin became the first decentralized cryptocurrency. And since then, there's numerous cryptocurrencies that have been created. So basically, people are creating their own currency or monetary system, a medium of exchange. Back when you used to exchange one hammer and one ox to get corn, now you don't have to do that. Now we have money or cash. And now with the digital currency, they're trying to do something a little more different to make exchange of value more effective or more anonymous, maybe more in the digital underground world. So in either way, cryptocurrencies are decentralized control. They're not really controlled by the central banking systems, where if you put your money in a bank, they're backed by the FDIC. Here in the United States, they're somewhat protected when you think about it. Somewhat, not 100%. Nothing is really 100% protected, but they're less at risk. Whereas with the cryptocurrencies, they're a little more at risk. And you can read through all of this if you like, the history and things like that. But really what it comes down to is, our question is about trading these or investing in these currencies. And the thing for me when I look at these kinds of things is I'm always looking at what the risk is. And you'll notice that even recently here in February 2014 made national headlines that basically when these cryptocurrencies are created, exchanged, there's things that can happen because they're so new. The stability is not there. So the company stated that it lost nearly 473 million of their customers' Bitcoins, likely due to theft. This was equivalent to approximately 750,000 Bitcoins, or about 7% of all the Bitcoins in existence. Due to this crisis, among other news, the price of Bitcoin fell from a high of 1,160 in December to under 400. So you can see the volatility there. You could make 50% of your money if you buy at the lows and sell at the highs, and you're trading these currencies like a currency exchange on Forex. But for me personally, when I really dig into this question, for me personally, I don't want to risk my hard-earned money trading or buying things that are not stable. I often find that people that want to trade cryptocurrencies, that are looking to do this as a trading business, they're looking to do this because they want the fast money or quick cash, and they have this one idea to be able to trade cryptocurrencies, and maybe next month it's going to be a different idea, or last year it was a different idea. So if you're looking to trade and be consistent, find consistency in trading and find stability rather than finding your golden egg and golden goose to produce those golden eggs, because that's really where you make money in trading, is over the long haul, investing, trading consistently. But here with cryptocurrencies, I personally don't prefer to do that because for me, the stability, the risk is just simply not worth it. There's no reason for me to risk it because I know that in one day, these things can go under pretty heavily. Whereas if you're trading a stock like, let's say, a McDonald's, a Walmart, or even you're just trading an index, the probability or the likeliness of those to go and tank in one day are slim. They do happen, but again, those stocks over time continue to grow into the future. Now, keep in mind when you're also looking to trade or invest into a currency, just like if you were to invest in the US dollar, you typically don't want it to constantly grow. And the reason for that is because of due to inflation, hyperinflation, or due to deflation. Because once you have a currency that continues to grow, you might actually, need to pay a lot more for that bread or for that commodity. And the same thing is if you're investing into a currency and you want it to really grow, then eventually the trading of that currency becomes more difficult or much more easily, but then it devalues each one of the dollars or coins or currency that you have. So that's another thing that really conflicts the part about investing, because in the end, what you want from your investment is you want to put money in and then you want to take more money out. However, if you're taking that money out and then later you have to convert, let's say, a Bitcoin into a regular cash amount, but your Bitcoin is worth less, then again, you're back to exactly where you started. So almost as if there was no point to really even invest in that currency. So those are my thoughts, again, about cryptocurrencies. Whether you want to trade them or not is totally up to you. I just personally don't care to risk my hard-earned money into trading or investing in things that are a little bit less stable. I prefer stability. I prefer consistency. But again, everybody has different risk appetites. Now, if you want to see what questions other traders are asking, then feel free to visit the website at investinghelpdesk.com. And don't forget to continue to expand your trading education and visit me at tradersfly.com.